Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. This is part 2 of my lap of Langkawi. As you would have seen in the last video, I did the 14-15 minute video just at the Sky Cab, so this is the rest of the day. Right now we're continuing where we left off last time and we're heading off to try and find the waterfall. I went to the car park of the waterfall and I asked the guy how far it is. He said it's only about 15 minutes, but it was straight up in the air when I started walking, so I thought, screw it, I don't want to see it that badly. So we're off to the next place, which is kind of an adventure world thing where I'm guessing you've got rope swings and abseiling and those sort of things, but let's go and check it out anyway. Well, this is it guys, Sky Treks. I'm not going to go in though, because I'd have to wait for a group, but there's just no one here today. It's kind of a course through the jungle where you go on rope bridges and rope swings and flying foxes to get through. It's one of those kind of things in Australia that companies would take corporate retreats, I think they call them. Janet and I went to one up near Nangabruk on Nangabruk Road in one of the videos we showed you. But anyway guys, I'm going to go find the next place, maybe get some food depending on what time it is, because I'm feeling a little hungry. Next stop, Crocodile Adventureland. Let's go and check. Well, this is the Crocodile Adventure Park guys. I think it's worth coming to visit, but I kind of haven't got much money left in my wallet. And it's $50, 50 ringgit entry, just for entry, but then for all the other activities or anything it works out at about 90 ringgit and $30. I've been to crocodile farms before. If you remember, we went to the one in Sandakan which I filmed, but I've been to others around the world that I haven't filmed, and yeah, it's worth coming and having a look though guys. One of the many parts of one of the many things you can do on Langkawi. And this is the front of the Crocodile Park. I just noticed on my map Scarborough Fish and Chips, and whether I have fish and chips for lunch, because I will tell you I'm feeling a bit hungry, but whether I have the fish and chips or not, it's in a beautiful spot, so let's just head there, have a look anyway, and we'll decide if we're going to eat when we get there. But we do have to eat some seafood on Langkawi. And guys, look where Google Maps is taking us this time. Amazing. We're going into the more of the wilderness of Langkawi, up in the north, central north. And again, I'm going to mention it again, sorry, but look at this weather. Guys, I was just riding past. This is the Complex Craft Langkawi, or the Langkawi Craft Complex. It's 32 acres and it's all full of different buildings, different art from all around the area, a lot of Islamic art, Malay traditional art. I think this might be worth a visit if I wasn't in sort of running out of time. Well, I got some cash out. I was running out of money in my wallet because I am really hungry. So let's go and have some seafood at Scarborough Fish and Chips. Yeah guys, I am going to have lunch here. I'm having fish and chips, soda water. Look at the view where I am having lunch. And my fish and chips guys. Let's give it a try. It looks pretty good actually, it looks really good. Yep, this was a good choice. Thank you Google Maps. Well, fish and chips can be the worst in the world, it can be the best. Just depends how it's cooked, how hot the oil is and everything. This one was well on the good side of average. Not the best I've had, but it was pretty good. But then they ruined it by adding a surcharge on the end that wasn't in the menu. So I was a bit upset about that, but that's just me. I don't like secret charges. But now we're going to head to the wildlife park There's art galleries and eco parks and everything all along this road. But if I stopped and showed you every one, I'd never get anywhere. Yeah guys, you can spend a couple of weeks here easily without being bored. Langkawi. And another little adventure park. Zip lines, go-karts, four-wheelers. And I think the one up there is a sky bike. Yes it is. Where you ride a bike across a tightrope. This is the wildlife park. It's the photos of it though I've seen. It's not going to make me very happy because there's seals and in cages and things. So I'm not going to go in. But right, this is where it is. I've just been picking things on the map that'll take me in a full circle of Langkawi really, so this is more about me having an amazing ride and showing you content. Sorry guys. Just to get back to my hotel, pick up my carnet and things so I can go and book my ticket on tomorrow's ferry. And tomorrow the ferry leaves at 1 o'clock, which is perfect. I get there about 3, I go and book back into the Noor's boutique hotel, head off in the morning. So probably Wednesday, I think we might head down to the Cameron Highlands. We'll see what happens. Just where you get off the ferry, or the car ferry here. All the motorbike stickers here. There's Mad Dog Adventures, I put that there yesterday. Now I'm just waiting for the girl to photocopy all my stuff. And it looks like the machine's broken. I hope my insurance isn't caught up in there. Morning guys. Well, it's only just morning, it's about 11:30. About a lazy morning. Just about to go and get on the ferry back to the mainland. It's 11:30, the boat leaves about 1 o'clock. So I've just got to go in, get stamped, get boarded, and then we're on our way. I'm excited. I love ferry travel, as I keep saying. Boat travel, such a relaxing way to get around. Now we're just waiting in the queue for the ferry. I tried sneaking up there and going to the front, but this guy here came and made me come back around here. At least this Honda here let me get in here, otherwise I'd be way up the back. Anyway guys, I'm excited. Back to the mainland. Langkawi was incredible though guys, unbelievable. Well worth coming here for a holiday. Like I said before, when I've been looking on Luxury Escapes for stuff for Janet and I to do, Langkawi kept coming up, resorts in Langkawi, but I didn't know where it was. Now I do know where it is. And yeah guys, beautiful, beautiful spot. Well, we'll be testing Libby again. It was a nice smooth trip on the way over, but it's not going to be so smooth this time. So we'll be testing her sitting on those stands. I'm hoping on the bigger ferries, because I've seen it like on the European ferries, I've seen it where they actually have tie downs. So you can tie your bike down. Let's hope for the big journeys in Indonesia. Let's hope I can tie her down. Well, when I came over here off the first one, because I was parked at the back of the ferry, now the back of the ferry's there, so I was last on. Just about ready to go. Another 20 minutes or so I think. Let me look at the time. It is, yep, it should be going 10 minutes ago. I didn't do any filming this time because you saw it just a couple of videos ago, a few videos ago. But the other day when I was here, I dropped a Thai coin. But I didn't bother picking it up because there's only a few cents Thai. Someone's picked it up and put it here. Yeah, so we're just about there. I've got my hotel booked. Looking forward to breakfast tomorrow. That was a really good breakfast, better than at the resort. Like the resort was all right, but the breakfast here was just amazing. Hey guys, this is Will. He's ridden this all the way from England. Can't believe it. There must have been some stressful times.
Yeah, mechanical problems, getting lost. Don't know if you can get over borders or not. But it's been good fun.
Yeah, borders are always fun, aren't they?
Yeah.
Anyway, we're here now, everyone's starting to unload, so I've got to go and jump on living. I really thought I was going to be the last one off with all these trucks and buses, but they're letting us off first. That was a really good few days, guys. Langkawi, really worth the visit. I enjoyed it. It put the weather on for me. That on Sunday I thought I was going to get rainy, horrible weather the whole time, but nope, we had an amazing, amazing couple of days. And this time I remembered the camera on when I disembarked. Disembarked, that's the word I'm thinking of. Come on, guys. And we're back at the Noor boutique hotel. Oh, I'm a bit wrecked. Just going to get some food, because if you remember from last time, the restaurant's not open here at night time and there's no other restaurants around here. Last time I just had chips and biscuits for dinner. And talking of food, the girls told me as soon as I came in, sorry sir, but Wednesday is the day off for the restaurant, so there's none for delicious breakfast. I can't have it tomorrow. Oh well. And I've got plenty of footage to make a video after our amazing time on Langkawi. That really was great, guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.